paidtotap.com. That's what we'll be talking about today. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Okay, so if you're watching this video, you've probably been to this site. You may not have heard about it. It says make $500 a day, earn money at school, work, blah, blah, blah. Get paid to invite friends, test out free apps and games, and earn more. Earn $10 for every user you refer to this site. All right, so let's dig into this. All right, but first, please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog. You can check them out. I'll throw some extra cash apps at the end of this video if you stick around. I got like some free crypto apps and stuff like here where you can mine cryptocurrencies and stuff for free, no investment or anything. And these are legit apps, obviously, or I won't be promoting them. And then I've got a bunch of other cash apps and not money-making things. And if you're serious about making money online, there's the top link in the video description below as well will take you to a place there. You get to learn about that. So anyways, stick around to the end. Like I said, I'll show you some other extra apps here. All right, but let's just get right into this. So here we are. Get paid to tap, literally, blah, blah, blah. Now here's the thing. Here's some things. Okay, so trusted in 140 countries. Forbes, they put all these things on here, all this nonsense. And I'm calling it nonsense because that's exactly what it is. They claim you instantly withdraw the funds to PayPal, blah, blah, blah. Join, get $25 sign-up bonus. Yeah, okay, whatever. And let's take a look at this. All right, so let's go to the About Me page, About Us. Now here's something interesting because this guy and these people, this guy is supposed to be the CEO or whatever. Yeah, CEO founder, Kevin Webster. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so you got this green shirt on with the logo on, of course. You know, there's websites where you just throw shirts on logos to test out. If you go to reverse image lookup. There's the image there, and then you can find it here. It goes to a reverse image website. That's basically like a stock photo. There's also a million other sites. Look, it's not even a green shirt. Shutterstock, Stock Sober, or whatever. So this guy, you know, obviously is not real. And here's it is on Shutterstock's website. Even got the thing here. So yeah, there's your CEO of the company. Very, 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 very cool indeed. I mean, this is just ridiculous. All right, so let's go back to the home site here. Homepage, if you will. I'm not even gonna look these people up. I'm sure they're stock photos, because why would they, you know, have a fake CEO? And then they have, what else is here? About, where's the about? About Us. Okay, so this is pretty interesting too, because, where's that part at? Oh. Here we were, same page. October 15th, that's when they started, they said in the beginning. But the interesting thing is, so today is October 22nd, 2021. You see right up there on my computer. And they say they've been around since 2015. But, you know, there's a really good trick you can do. Just go look up when a website started. Oh, and would you look at that? Paidtotap.com. This website was registered on July 26, 2021. So that's interesting. They've been around for 5 years, or since, what did they say, 6 years. Okay, that's just nonsense as well. And then they have, I'm not even going to go that much further because those are just dead giveaways right there. I don't know. What do you think? Put it in the comments below. Have you signed up for this site? Let me know in the comments. Just so much nonsense. And the testimonials, I mean, come on. These are just fake. And they do have some videos. You can hire people on Fiverr.com. I've seen many sites like this. I don't know if these people are from there or not. I'm not even going to investigate it. I have enough red flags here as it is with all their other stuff. And then they have even the contact page here. They have live chat. Where's the live chat? There's a button down here or nothing. All right, so this is just obviously not legit in my opinion. So I don't know. What do you think? Anyways, so let me show you some apps that will be benefiting you. So you just didn't waste your whole time here watching this stupid video about this stupid website. All right, so I'll throw a link down in the video description below for this as well. And there's a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel. Like I said, you can just check out. I have all kind of apps and stuff like that. But here's some great passive cryptocurrency income apps that you can use. We got a web browser, crypto tab, Pi network. And if you use my referral code, You're going to be in my network on the crypto browser. Probably networks are really going for crypto as well. Get in my network by using my code. It's invite only at the time. And they've been around for years. So there's a couple ones there. Couple ones. Does that even make sense? Anyways, just keep moving along here. So Dosh here is the one I've been using for a long time. And basically, you just sync up your debit card or your credit card, whatever you go shopping with. And when you go to places and stuff like that and shop, and you don't even need to open the app. You just, whenever you use that card, you can get money back onto the Dosh app here at certain places. Not every place, but there's a lot of places. And they have an Android app. They have an iOS app. When you shop at these places and many other ones. And plus, I refer, like I said, I have a referral code. It's GregK21. Please do use my referral code because I'll make a little bit of kickback on that as well. And then sometimes they have a kickback for using my referral code. And then when you refer people, you actually make some money as well. So it's a win-win-win situation. They got really good rankings here on the iOS store. As you can see, free app, blah, blah, blah. 4.7 out of 5. Really good rankings out of about 122,000 reviews. So that's definitely legit and pretty good to go. Plus Apple, does a pretty good job of, they're not going to have shady apps on their web store because they're good gatekeepers in that sense. If you want some free stocks, also check out Robinhood. I got a link down there for that as well. You get a free stock if you use my link. I don't know. There's other sites though, the Tap to Earn, Tap to Learn, whatever it's called. I don't even know. There were so many of those sites that I reviewed last year and they're all the same thing. I just stay away from those. Stay away from them altogether. There's no value in those sites. They're probably gonna, scam you. Probably they get you to refer people. I don't know what else they do. They try to maybe steal your information. Hack your accounts. Who knows? I can't really say that because I don't know if that's what they do, but that's what they're doing. But that's possibly what they're doing. Who knows? So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.
And I just gotta say, I'm really tired right now. That's why I'm talking so weird today. It's all over the place, back and forth, there and there. So do check out the links in the video description below. I got some legitimate stuff for you to check out. Yeah, if you're still watching, put a comment down below. Say, hey, I'm still watching. Just like that. Like, hey, I'm still watching. Well, you don't have to do it like that. I don't really care. I'm just mumbling on at this point. Why not? It's just a video on YouTube. What's going on here? What is really going on? Should I play a song? I don't know.